What is up, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in to Liz Does Travel. I took another trip to London for work that I wanted to share with you guys. We met our driver at the airport and he took us to our hotel. We stayed at the London Edition again, which is one of my favorite hotels out there. I can't tell you how beautiful it is. It's so posh and so classy. I highly recommend staying here if you're in London. I'm at my favorite hotel in London right now at the London Edition. I wanted to do a little hotel room, whatever that thing's called. Anyways, here's the bathroom. And my cutesy little room. The bar. The dangerous closet is what they call this thing. It comes with all the goodies and the snacks. What kind of view I have outside, if any. Chip, chip, cheerio, and all that sorts of stuff, as Tinder would say. Pretty cute London view from outside. And me over a 12-hour flight. Oh. As soon as I got settled in and unpacked in my hotel room, we hit the ground running for some more sightseeing. We're gonna go grab some food right now. We're headed to this delicious restaurant. It's called Dishu. So we went here like a month ago and I've been craving this food ever since. To get to Dishu, you have to walk through Carnaby Street. I'm so excited, you guys. We are here in Restaurant Row. I don't even know if that's what it's called, but that's what I'm calling it. All these cute little restaurants. We finally arrived at Dishoom, and I cannot tell you how excited my stomach was at this moment. Dishoom has a full bar among its delicious food. Guys, the food came and I was so excited to eat it. I forgot to show you guys what it looked like before, but who cares because it's so good. This lamb samosa is to die for. I, of course, had to order my mango lassi and my Indian Coke, and the feast that Tinder ordered us was just delicious. We did more walking around Carnaby Street and we saw a little street performance going on, did a little shopping, saw some cool live art happening, and the party was still going on into the night. How sweet is this? I came back to my room and I had some champagne and some salad waiting for me and a cute little note that they made me a drink from the bar downstairs and they left it in my mini bar for me. The drink was good, the jet lag was not. It's 5 a.m. and I could not sleep for the life of me that night. Good morning, London. I have finally caught up on all my sleep. I'm no longer jet lagged. It's really pretty outside today. Today we are going to get in a little bit of some shopping, check out some fun and cool restaurants if we have some time or if we can find some. But let's go. Bye bye room. Knock knock. For our last day, we did a little more shopping and had lunch at the Ivy, Soho. If you guys are in London, another place I highly recommend. The food is so good and the desserts very Instagram worthy. It's always too short of a trip whenever I come here. I always wish it was longer. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little glimpse of my second trip to London. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time.